For now, I decided to ride the SUP myself, take a swim while there's no people. Then I'll have to deal with the rentals, not just chill out. I try to come early while I still have time to get some rest myself, swim, relax, and then get to work. Let's say I inflated a couple of SUPs. I'll swim, freshen up a bit, and then inflate a couple more. I think it'll be fine. Yeah, Mother Nature is divine, beautiful. Take care of our nature. Yeah, you just wanna say that. Ducks are swimming with their little ducklings, tiny ones. I don't know, there's a duck swimming, but there she is. You won't see her from here already with a brood. It's interesting to watch how this nature is all arranged. Look, I don't know, dragonflies. Okay, well, the work day is over for today. It's 6 p.m. Packing up the SUPs and let's go. 3 are drying, 1 is here, the 5th one is still floating. Hey everyone, I just went to lunch, stopped by my parents' place, had a little lunch, ate some soup. It's hot outside today, 30 degrees. Lunch isn't over yet, so I went out to nature to sit for a bit. I'll read some mantras, observe our nature. I've got about 20 minutes to just sit and chill. Let's get the chair out. Gotta put my phone on charge. If it wasn't for work, I'd only wear shorts in the summer, slippers, a t-shirt. It's nice where it's always summer. Yeah, you only need a minimal wardrobe. If of course you're just as much of a slacker as I am, then you need a minimal wardrobe. The SUPs are lying there. I still need to unpack them, clean them, wash them, but I just tossed them like this for now, in case someone calls about renting one for the day, so that backpacks are also in the car. They're lying there with the accessories. I tried to carry a couple with me, always with me now. I'll show you. It's closed. This is the kind of mess here. Backpacks, life vests. Here, I like to, during lunch, if I have time left, have a quick lunch. The weather's nice, I set up the chair. Birds are singing, some insects, you sit, watch them set for a bit, rested a little, then changed, threw on a shirt. Went to work, now there'll be as usual a conference call. Now I'll sit for 2 hours listening to all kinds of smart big shots, important guys. So they'll tell us how we need to work, how to approach work, how to live, and all that bullshit. So I got back from work to the dacha. Beautiful. Now I want to wash my car and take a photo, gotta post it on drone to sell. Our dacha is like that, people only live here in summer. In winter there are no roads, no electricity, so it's only for summer. I live here all summer. Here's a little pull-up bar, I need to start working out. I've gotten fat again, I'm all bloated, get a tan. Now I'll quickly wash it, just rinse it off. Grab the bucket. This is planted mustard. Here's Facilia. Later it will be mold, tilt under. Anyway, like this one, forgot the name. Green manure, I think it's called. I'm in farming a total zero. This is a pool. The water's drained now. It'll all get cleaned. Will be painted and fresh water will be poured in. A bath house. Bucket I need to. I weeded the little garden a bit. The potatoes, well, best I could. As a gardener, fuck, I'm completely useless shit. I might even catch a beating from my old man for this. Let's hope it's fine. But anyway, I'm helping my dad with the potatoes. My dad's 80 years old. The garden potatoes, weeding, I help. I have to. You can't just watch your dad working while you do nothing. Yeah, this fence section here, there was wind in the spring. One of the posts was rotten. It collapsed, but dad dug in a railroad tie himself. This section, basically he did it all himself. He built this whole dacha all by himself too. I just enjoy the benefits. Well, now I need to get down to it. Alright, that's it for today. The work day is over, guys. The sun's out there getting ready to set. So today's result is like this. Here are the weeded little rows. I did half, and this is for tomorrow. This unweeded part for tomorrow. Maybe I'll have the energy. I'll finish it tomorrow. Plus I need to start healing. Now I'll show you what's going on with the tank. I cleaned it all out, will be painted. Well, maybe it won't be painted, it's fine as is. It'll dry now, I'll clean off the residue and that's it. Fill it with fresh water and go for a swim. You know, maybe tomorrow I'll go to a workout. Haven't been in like half a year, I think. For sure, gotta start. I'll brew some tea and drink it now. Okay, washed all the tools, my feet too. Now to the bathhouse, to rinse off the water. There's the tank there. There it is. There it is, on the container. Water from the well fills it up. It's already warmed up. In summer, there's always decent water like this. You don't always have to heat the bathhouse. Now with this water, I heated it yesterday. Oh look, it's warm. Probably 36 degrees, for sure 38 inside the bathhouse like this. And this is from that tank filling up. Oh, nice. Alright guys, I washed up clean fresh. Let's go on now. I need to brew some tea. little tea, herbal tea. Now I'll show you my collection.
Так,
Okay, little steps.
патульки.
First of all, we're going to go for some Kuril tea.
Так,
Okay, I'll move the sea buckthorn. Okay, little sea buckthorn. Sorry, I'm gonna pluck a leaf from you. Here's sea buckthorn. Sea buckthorn leaves are very healthy, and this is Kuril tea. You're supposed to take the flowers, but I take leaves too. Also a very beneficial plant. I won't tell you what for right now. It's good for you. So somewhere around here I had lemon balm growing.
так.
And
где-то у
here's
меня тут
lemon
лист
balm,
росла.
guys.
Ага, а вот она.
It's
вот
still
мелис.
growing. I think I saw
Еще
it
растет.
together with
Меня
mint.
многие видели.
I
Можно,
could
конечно,
also pick
ужималось
some
еще набрать
honeysuckle,
уже.
but it's ripe.
Она
I'm just
спелая,
too lazy to
что
walk
ли?
over there.
Идти туда.
I saw it somewhere around
Ah,
here.
вот
Here
она,
she is.
девочка,
The little girl is growing. Here's the little lemon balm.
Лисочка, чик. Вот это
This
мята,
is mint
перечная мята.
peppermint.
О,
The balm. This
Какой
is the
сбор
kind of
получается?
mix I
Сейчас
get.
еще
Now
смородина.
I'll add some currant.
Ага,
Ah, here's little currant, a currant leaf. Literally a couple like 3. That's it. And
Ну,
a tiny
маленечко
bit of
заварчик.
actual tea leaves.
Сейчас
Soon
скоро
there
будет
will be
это иван-чай.
fireweed tea.
Как
When it
зацветет,
blooms,
поедем
we'll go
собирать
harvest
иван-чай.
fireweed together.
Тоже
Just
так,
like
когда
that.
бывает
Whenever I feel like it,
желание
I
есть,
collect it.
заготавливаю.
Okay, okay. Little teapot.
Заварничек. Всё,
Alright,
там
I
чуть-чуть
already
заварки
put a little
насыпал
bit
уже.
of tea leaves in.
Всё.
Now,
Вода
water.
есть.
There is water. Another morning. Driving to work. Time is 7:50 a.m. Work at 8 a.m. Gotta make it on time.
Надо успевать, блядь.